If you want to print bright colors on dark garments, fluorescent discharge inks are the way to go. When added to the ink, the discharge powder removes the pigment from the fabric and replaces it with the new pigment from the ink, resulting in a super soft and extremely bright print. Mix 3 to 5% of the discharge powder into the ink and mix well. Add the ink to your screen and print like normal. The print will be dull at first, but don't worry, that's normal. The colors will really start to pop once you cure the ink completely. Just follow the heating instructions on the ink container. Now let's see it under a black light. These inks come in several colors, perfect for spooky prints like this one.